beauties, get ready with me today with Trestique. I can't believe this because Trestique was actually one of the first makeup brands that I used when I started using makeup for the first time when I was like 14 or 15. So to be doing a video with them when I'm 22 is so cool. I'm gonna go in with my bronzer first because I have been loving an underpainted look recently, and I'm gonna go in with the Copacabana Chestnut. I'm gonna go in with a brush. I've always loved applying with a brush to start. One of the cool things about Trestique, and I like to call them little assistants, but they all come with their own like little assistant. Like this bronzer has a sponge. The mascara has like an eyelash curler attached to it. It's crazy, and I love that they all come with that. So if you ever are on the go and doing your makeup, you always have a way to apply it. My next step in my routine is to apply concealer. They sent 2 shades, which is in Clay and Bone. And then this is what their little assistants look like, the little sponges, which I think are so cute. But I'm gonna start with Bone, which is a little bit of a lighter shade. And I'm gonna apply that to my inner corner just to add some brightness. Then I'll do the tiniest bit here. Tiniest bit here. Then I'm gonna go in with Clay, which is a little bit of a darker shade, and I'm gonna apply that just to kind of help blend in the rest of it. I love how nicely that blends into the skin. Okay, it's foundation time, and I'm gonna go in with the Paradise Island Beige foundation stick, and I'm just gonna apply it with the brush. That is the perfect base. It's so light on the skin and it makes my skin look so good. Next, I'm gonna go in with a blush over top, and this is in the shade St. Bart's Pink. And now it's time to do the mascara. This product is so cool to me because if you take it off the top and pop this back part open, it's a lash curler that's part of your mascara. So whenever you're on the go or on the run, you can still curl your eyelashes. And then when you twist it, the mascara pops out. How cool is that? Okay, and I like to do this next step after my mascara because then when my mascara is on, I can kind of see the shape at my eye. And I'm gonna use this eyeliner in the shade Roman Bronze, and I'm just gonna give a little light brown wing, very small, and then I'm gonna smudge it out. And now we have the last and final step, which is the Prime and Lip Shine Glaze, and this is in the shade Pink Sands. And this little assistant is like a little primer. Then you apply. Thank you so much for getting ready with me and Trestique today. I had so much fun, and let me know what products are your guys' favorite.